CP Nation, what's going on? It's a brand new day. Real quick before we get into today's video, please like, please comment, and subscribe. Okay, Charles.
Hi.
All right, so y'all seen the new grill I got from my nephew. Y'all seen that great hookup. Now I'm having some yard work done. Let me take this hot sweatshirt off because it's hot, guys. I'm having the driveway, some areas fixed in the driveway, those cracked areas. Trying to get it all done. Please like, please comment, and subscribe to today's video. All right, let's go outside. Y'all can see the beginning process. What's going on? Look, I wasn't worried.
Hey, the way on him, they was over there tearing their sister house that burned down.
Oh my.
So they was over there tearing that down. So, good day.
Gonna cut all of this out. All this is gonna be cut out and repaired and replaced.
You get that line cut, get that line cut. Hey, that's a wrap. That's a wrap.
We're getting ready to have all this replaced because it's got cracks in it. You can see the crack right there. You can see how that's off right there.
But I ain't gonna do. What I'm not gonna do, because I know you take this in here and you ain't out your house. See what I'm saying? I'm cutting this. But when we get ready to post, yeah, we'll tear it up. I'm gonna snatch it out and then foam it up, pour it back.
I got you.
The next day you gonna walk in on it. I don't want to tear it out, you stepping into a hole.
Right, thank you so much.
Might have to take that over the back.
It's got an electrical socket on it.
That's for water.
Oh, water, okay. Like a socket from here.
Yeah, it's water. When the water in the whole day.
Yeah.
It
keeps it from.
Blade. It's blade. Keep the dust down.
Yeah.
Hey, man, you a pull job. You got that top soil in here too.
That's 4 loads in here and 3 over there.
Wait a minute, now. You got to back fill that in.
Yeah, I'm gonna feel that in there. Yeah, I done got 8 loads of dirt in the last couple of days. No, my tractor.
Yeah, I'm saying you take
Yeah, my bucket and then put it in there.
Yeah, ain't no wheel guard in there.
Yeah.
Well, you got to do the work when you get in there though. Oh. When you get this one up off, gonna foam up from right there on the edge over there. We're gonna kick it around like that. We use them same bulls right there with them left over there.
Them farm bulls been here since July of last year.
Well, you tell me they ain't never took them out?
No. And that's how they did all of this right here. And it's all cracking all over there, cracking all out there.
How much you pay for them? Shit, boy. Huh? Bo do it? No, okay. Like I told us, I said, shoot, we pull this here first. Stop. If it don't want to crank, you go back and get the other. Give me that. Jimmy? No, we don't little big guy in. Feel it. Feel it, yeah, little feel it. Yeah, little feel it there. Put that out. Foam it up right quick. Get on the bottom. Piece up. What I do?
Yeah, that don't sound good. Might be gonna choke it.
Sound like the spark plug there.
Yeah. Sound like a spark plug or something.
Hey, now, we got some power right here.
Who?
Power.
Yeah. We got power right there. Right there.
Okay.
Socket right there.
Cut the motor.
Yeah, I got power. Yeah, we're gonna redo this right here and everything, guys. You know, they did this in July and they never come back. I gave him the money. He came out here about 3 weeks ago and saw all this stuff and was like, okay, I'm gonna get it done.
Hey, shit. How you gonna get this here done? Look in the car here, man. How you get that done, bro? We can get it done. You cut it out.
And then all over there, you know.
Yeah, I told Papa, I told him all that stuff, man. That's like some blower.
And look at all this right here. Look at all of that.
This whole section. Whole section right here got the boat in. That whole section from that joint over there all the way across. And right there where you at, cut that off over there. All the way all this in. The whole section needs to be replaced.
It gonna stay down.
Oh, yeah.
It'll stay down.
If it was me, it wouldn't be staying down.
But I mean, what can I can't do nothing.
He can pay for it. He got to replace that. My driveway's supposed to be broom, not squirrel mouth.
Yeah, it's supposed to be broom.
Supposed to be broom.
Right.
It don't supposed to be looking like this in.
I mean, that shit they done got away from there.
Yeah, they got away from.
Well, they did all this in one day.
They did all this, man.
All the way to that mark right there. To that first joint. They stopped. And it was so hot out here in the daytime.
You talking about July and Pop, what we did?
I ought to cut that shit off. I ought to do a piece
Did that circle.
Right.
I did the circle, then come back and add the rest of them niggas. You know what I'm saying? That circle been enough right there.
For July?
Right. All right, y'all stand by. So yes, y'all can see now we're extending this. I gotta move that sprinkler line. You know what? I probably should have waited. You know what? I guess I can cut it once y'all leave because I gotta move that sprinkler line because that sprinkler. Yeah, I can just go up under here and dig it because it ain't that far in the ground. Yeah, so we're gonna extend it out. As y'all can see, we're gonna take this out and bring it all the way around because I just needed a little bit more driving area to keep people from driving over it. As you can see, they've been driving over and cracking it. So I gotta move this line.
Expertise.
All right, TP Nation, I gotta dig. I know I gotta dig this up. Getting prepared for the new cement to come in. I gotta move this irrigation line. I gotta move it. I gotta work, y'all. It's about 6 inches down in the ground, so it's not that bad. I gotta get it up because they're gonna be forming in here. So we gotta get it up. It's not that bad. Gotta do it. Whew. Let's work on the back. I guess the best way is to turn around, right? It's only like 6 inches down. It's only like 6 inches down. Man, let's get this. All right, you can see the line. Here's the line right here. All right. Let's turn around, y'all. Y'all, I work hard. I work so hard. Nobody knows why I work so hard. But I just do. I work hard. All right. So, as you can see, there's the black line for the irrigation right there, for the drip system. Now I gotta go all the way down to that hole right there. Y'all see this? I gotta come all the way down to here. But I gotta get it done because they're here forming now. So let's get it done. Taylor's Pride, Homestead. Yeah, I need prayer myself. I've been working out here for the last week, every day. I wanted to have grass all the way out there, but that's not gonna work. Because, no, out here. Because see my gate? I'm gonna be driving through that.
Put your driveway over there.
That's what I need to do.
Put your driveway in pressed up with grass. Grass.
Huh?
Pressed up with grass.
Right, that's what I need you to do.
Ain't no problem with that.
Yeah.
You don't like it.
I thought about just doing crush and run.
And look at the rest of you.
That's my point.
So, you know what I'm saying? But the next point I got is, can I bring that truck around the house and bring it back?
Yeah.
So it ain't got no problem.
Yeah, truck can come all the way back of the house.
I'm like, I can't get on the end.
Right. Yeah, the truck can go in the back. That's how my gas truck, everybody go around the back of the house. And the dump trucks go back there.
We come all around through here.
Yeah.
Once you come up through here, I'll turn it around. Shoot it out. Now you going back out the gate, bro.
Yeah.
Now I can do it square by square, but once you get on the other side, once you get so close to the gate, I'll stop it.
Right.
Turn him around out there in the backyard, back him up, pull the rest.
Yeah, I need to do that because, I mean, I'm going to drive across that. I mean, I already see my track marks. I got to come through here with my trailer and all this. I wanted it to be grass, but there's no other way to get to the backyard. So, and I got the gate there.
Like you got these wide marks right here.
Mm-hmm.
Come right here. Come right there to right there.
Yeah.
Rest of that grain.
Yeah.
All that grain.
That's what I want to do. That's the next job.
You should have seen them one I've been on.
That's the next job.
How long we stay down there, Pop? Where? Riverside. I had to go get a planker, bro. They grind this float.
Oh, wow.
Then I went and got 100 bags of self-leveling
Oh, wow.
patch. And the float still ain't level. It's
Oh,
still
no.
got humps in it everywhere else, but tile man come back and lay tile on it.
Right.
If that's what you want, I'll give it to you.
Yeah, that's what I want. Because I'm going to have that. Because I know I'm going to be driving across there. I mean, you can, I got a gate entrance right there. So ain't no use me fronting that I'm going to have grass all out there when I know I'm going to want to go in the backyard.
Yeah. you just driving right there.
Right.
I mean, if you ever figure your plane out in the back, then you get to that part.
Right.
I'll just take care of the front, do what I got to do.
Yeah, take care of the front then. Now I can cut that right there and put a elbow on it.
Cut it or you can bend it. I mean, well,
Either way you want to do it. You can cut it and put a cup in
I can bend it right here. I can cut it right here, put a 45 and take it straight over there.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
however you want to do it. I mean, you can put a 45 or put a couple on it.
Because I don't know if it'll bend
Oh, yeah.
from right there.
Put a
It
45
could.
on everything.
man, if it could.
Put a
I mean, you
45
wouldn't know
on
it till. I mean, I'm pretty sure that damn thing up in there right there, bro. You don't think so?
Ain't gonna bend back like this.
Ain't gonna bend back like that.
Take it up. All you can do is take it up and check it.
Yeah.
You don't take it with a check. See that thing won't be in there? Huh?
I guess it will.
Huh?
I guess it will. You right.
Y'all tell me now.
You the man.
Huh?
You made me out of line.
Okay then.
Hey, here we go. Pick that back up. pick the phone back up.
You the man. You made us a lie.
I don't know. I was suggesting.
Yeah, you made us a lie.
Thank you for that.
Right there.
Yep. That's enough.
Oh yeah.
Take this on out the way. On out my way.
Yeah, we good then.
We good. So that's all you got to do. Right back here, right in there.
Yep.
You got it back in the ground. Huh?
See, actually, you coming from here.
Yeah, I'm coming from that point.
Yeah. So I mean,
You out the way.
yeah. Technically, I could have left that
Yeah, you could have left that right here.
from right here. Well, that's all right.
I mean, either way it goes, you know what you can do.
Yeah, I can still do it.
Put the form in. You can.
Yeah. Once the form is in, then I can go back and do it. So y'all, now you good.
Okay.
Do your thing, brother.
I don't even need no more form. I done did what I did it.
Tear that up. Put some mud in there. Work mad.
Well, what I was told is you wanted the best. That's what I was told now. So either he lying.
Pop,
I ain't
tell him where we
I
come.
ain't saying nothing.
Tell him where we come from. Tell him where we come from, Pop.
That's what I was told now.
We ain't had no call, baby.
That's what I heard. That's what I was told. That's what I was told now.
That what you told me?
That's what I was told.
I'm listening.
And they said, I ain't telling you that because he's my friend. I'm just telling you straight fact.
You know what he's doing.
Right.
You know I know what I'm doing. So you, and I know what you're doing. Know what you know what you're doing. I wouldn't have you working with me.
I don't know.